Boom guys, Bitcoin is at the new ultimate high. We just broke the previous one, so let's check it out over here. It was just 3 hours ago. As you can see, the previous ultimate high was at 64,900. Currently we've been at almost 67,000 guys, so incredible push to the upside. We can see how the 1 hour just closed above it. But wait, why am I talking right now about Bitcoin? I thought this video is about XRP. Well guys, this is super important for the XRP future. I know the majority will not understand this, but it is for me right now the last confirmation that I've been waiting for in order for XRP to completely take off, because I would like to introduce you in this video as well to the altcoin market. Yeah guys, hello and thank you for tuning in today's YouTube video. My name is Darius, and as I already mentioned, we're going to talk about the XRP. We're going to talk about the altcoins, what Bitcoin has actually to do with XRP. Probably you're still asking yourself, what is this altcoin market? Why is there an altcoin season? Why is Bitcoin currently moving that up, and why is this very good for us? Now guys, I would like to recommend you right now to watch my last video, which was the Bitcoin video. Super important just to understand where Bitcoin is about to go, what kind of potential we have, and in this video we're going to speak more about XRP. So I would say, without further ado, let's jump right into this video and let's speak in the first place about the altcoin season. Now we need to understand there are a ton of cryptocurrencies out there. We all know investing could be super speculative, especially when it comes to the cryptocurrencies, as we don't know if they will exist in the future. But this is actually the thing that you will get, right? So if you will risk right now your money into cryptocurrencies, you will get high return of investment. This is actually what you will get from it if you are ready right now to risk your capital. I know the majority will not do this. The majority will say, yeah, let's just wait a few years. Let's wait until everything is going to set up, until the market cap is going to increase more, in order that we know this is a safe thing. Now, the same people who are telling you this one thing are the same people who are still waiting to join the Apple stock market or the Tesla stock market. Okay, so it's going to be too late if you're just waiting for price to be at a very high level in order for you to be ready to invest. Whenever everybody is scared about a certain asset, you should be careful and you should pay your attention to that one specific asset and to be willing to invest in it if it will satisfy your rules of investing. Okay, so you need to be the one who is ready to invest in it, looking at everything, making your background check, making your research about that one certain asset. This is how investing actually works. Now, why am I even telling you right now this one thing? Now, this is super important to understand overall how investing works, just to illustrate you what we can make with XRP and other altcoins that much of return of investment. Now, in Bitcoin, the return of investment was not very high, to be honest. This is why me personally, I didn't invest that much into Bitcoin. My main investing point is XRP. XRP, Chainlink, and Ethereum. Okay, exactly in these orders: XRP the most, then Chainlink, then Ethereum, and then Bitcoin. This is how I picked up to do my ranking to my portfolio. I'm willing to risk that money because I know the return of investment on XRP is definitely worth it. Of course, XRP could go down lower. XRP could also never go to the upside. This is a possibility. It's just my personal decision, which I'm going to share with you in this video as well, from a technical analysis as well as from a fundamental analysis. So stay tuned guys, this is going to be a crazy video for you, and hopefully you're making some notes, because this is super important for you to just understand it for further projects. Okay, there are a lot of things where you could put your money in it, but yeah, so I just broke down right now how investing works. Let's move on to the altcoin season specifically. Now you have Bitcoin, okay? Bitcoin is the one with the most market cap. That's super important for them. So let me just write it down over here just to show you a little bit of things. Oh yeah, let's just use this one. Now Bitcoin has the most market cap. So it is declared as to be the safest cryptocurrencies out there. Now, what is altcoins? Well, altcoins are the other ones. So I'm not sure if I have here anything like that. If I have here the Ethereum symbol or something like that. Yeah, let me just write down over here. So we got Bitcoin, which is the safest one. Then we got Ethereum. We got XRP. We got Chainlink. So we got a lot of other things. So yeah, Link. What else do we have? Doge, for example. Then we have, yeah, those are the most important one, let's say it like that. Okay, so you have these ones here perfectly. So just for us to know, so these are declared as altcoins. Okay, and now for us important is to understand that the biggest investors, what do you think that they are going to do? The biggest investors, well, of course they will put a ton of money into Bitcoin. It's the safest one. If Bitcoin will reach it, okay, we can expect that also these one are going to reach it. But wait a little bit. Wait a little bit. This is the question right now. Or the thing, the aspect. Bitcoin is moving to the upside, breaking new highs, making new highs, new ultimate highs. XRP is just here. XRP is not there. XRP didn't even broke the previous ultimate high. We did not even broke this high over here. So why am I telling you currently that altcoins will also make it to the top? Well, they will do it, but just later on. The thing is, what you need to understand is, when it comes to the altcoin season, after Bitcoin is going to move up crazy to the upside, which we completely confirm right now because we broke ultimate high. Of course, it could be a fake breakout. Price could return to the downside. But if you watched my last video, you will understand where the price is going to go up much more higher. Especially right now, everybody is going to talk about Bitcoin. Just check out right now Google News, what they're talking about. Yeah, Bitcoin just new ultimate high. The media will tell you right now to buy Bitcoin. Me personally, I will stay right now completely away from Bitcoin because this is right now the thing. Media is telling you to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin will definitely increase. It will go up, but not much. The movement already occurred. The movement's already done. I explained that one in the previous analysis. I explained to you 28,000 is going to be the bottom from that correction. The biggest correction possible. Afterwards, the price will go up higher till 80,000, 85,000 max. Now, if the price will right now just continue until Bitcoin will not reach that one zone, it doesn't need to be necessary that XRP will also go up or the other altcoins. Why? Well, actually, if currently Bitcoin will make it to the upside, so Bitcoin will move up higher, it will target my zone, which is that one 70 to 85,000. At the moment when the price will target that zone, at this area, okay, exactly right now, since 65,000, since we broke it to the upside, let me just open the chart to make it for you more easier to understand. Exactly, this is what I wanted to open. So everything will be right now much better for you to understand. Let me just delete this whole thing. Now, exactly right now, guys, we will see, we see that the price actually broke this zone. The media is going to tell us right now, okay, buy Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the new asset. Gold is old stuff. We don't need gold anymore. So at this moment, when we broke above it, retail will invest their money. People who lost, who've been missing on this movement, people who've been losing money during this movement to the downside, and they stopped out with their leverage, which stopped out by taking the money out because they've been in panic selling, stuff like this. All these people right now will understand, okay, we broke structure, we broke resistance, we broke the previous ultimate high, we're creating a new ultimate high, the price needs to go up higher till till minimum 100,000, and it will go straight to 1 million. These are the new theories. Now, what do you think are going to do the big investors, the big institutions? What do you think are they going to do? Well, actually, they are going to just realize their profits. And by them realizing the profits, they will drop the market. So this whole thing, guys, will at some point will crash. And right now we got few theories. Theory number one, price will correct right now afterwards till maximum this level, or we will hit it, do something like this, go up higher, and then go like this. And what I think right now is more than likely price could tap a little bit higher, but at the moment when Bitcoin is going to correct, the altcoin season is opened. What does that mean, guys? Well, the big participants, the big investors, institutions, they are going to take that money. They're going to realize it and transfer it in the altcoins. Why? Because Bitcoin is at that point currently overvalued. So if you go right now to the supermarket, and normally you've been buying an apple for $2, but today you will need to buy that apple for $4, wouldn't it be better if you would have been the seller of it, so that you're going to sell that apple to the other ones? Wouldn't you make more profit out of it? This is exactly what you're doing with Bitcoin. This is what they're going to do with Bitcoin, because they know currently there are people who are going to buy it because the expectations are Bitcoin will go up higher. Now they are going to switch their positions to be a seller. They are realizing their profits, and by them realizing the profits, yeah, my Macdown just made it dark right now, so I was a little bit confused. By them realizing the profits, it will drop the market to the downside. So don't forget that one aspect. We're not together in Bitcoin. We're not together in XRP over here. Whenever somebody's winning their money, somebody's making huge profits, there's the other side who's losing at the same moment. Okay? And this is what we will face over here. The reality will be that the majority of the retail investors will join the market exactly right now at this current price. Me personally, and all the other professionals are currently looking to sell it, to realize their profits, because they've been already capitalizing on this movement. Because if you understand what chart technical analysis are telling you, then you know that the lowest low possible would have been exactly over there. And if the price would have been broken this zone, then the price would have been dropping to the downside. But we've never broke it. So we just have here big wicks just to show us actually, okay, institutions are here. That one level here specifically was an institutional level of demand. So keep that in mind, okay? And the big investors are going to realize their profits and put it back into the XRP, putting it back in Ethereum, putting it back in Chainlink, in Dogecoin, and in any other altcoins. This is actually why even shitcoins are going to go crazy to the upside, because of the investors. They don't know actually what they should do with their money, so they're not going to put it right now into the DXY. They're not going to realizing it in euro. No, because they're going to lose their value if they're going to do this, because we got inflation. This is another aspect why the price is even currently rising that much to the upside. So you need to understand how the price, the value of Bitcoin is really coming from. So it doesn't came just like this. There's inflation who is bringing the price to the upside as well. So putting right now the money back into euro or in the US dollar, they're going to lose automatically the value. Of course, they will realize some of it. Of course, they need that money as well. But more than likely, they will reinvest the money, and especially they will reinvest a huge amount into the altcoins, as well as they're super undervalued. So let's go back to that one example with the apples. Now, Bitcoin is at $4 at the moment when the XRP is at 1 or 2 cents. So don't you think they're going to buy just 100 XRP just because they don't care, because price is so undervalued. To make a little bit of profit is definitely in. So it's very sure. Let's say it is the win rate is super high for that, guys. So this is what their thoughts are, but a few experts know exactly how far this could bring the price to the upside, and this is where they can pump even more money into it. And yeah, that's currently the confirmation for me that XRP is going to go crazy to the upside, and also all the other altcoins. So the altcoin season is going to be opened very soon. It will be exactly at the time when Bitcoin will go down, okay? Then the other ones, they're going to go crazy to the upside. And I'm so happy to see this one thing, guys. So for me right now, I'm super happy to see Bitcoin going up. I know it's not my number one asset. It's not that one asset where I put the most of my money into it. But still, I'm super happy because I know that exactly that money will come back to me. Exactly that one money is going to be that one money that will make me big profit. And the other ones, they think, yeah, I'm in Bitcoin already, or I need to put more money in Bitcoin to participate in that movement, okay? But there are going to be those who are going to lose that one thing, you know? So more than 95% will don't understand that one thing, and they will still react like that. They will still invest their money right now just because they think that price will go crazy to the upside. And this is why the 100K for Bitcoin is super psychological, okay? Because just realizing Bitcoin will go really to 100K, wouldn't you get out a little bit of it? Like 10% or 20%, okay? Or let's say just 5%. I'm not sure what your investing plan is, but the majority are going to be able or are going to be ready to take out their money, or at least some percentages, if the price will hit 100K. Super psychology. So do you think these big banks don't know that one fact? Do you think that they are not going to bring the price before hitting the level to the downside? That's a good question. Now, I do not expect that price will go to 100K because it would be for me too easy. And if it will be too easy, then something is smelling really bad over here in that one thing. So always remember, this is what Warren Buffett said to us. He said, whenever everybody's happy, you should be careful. You should be careful. But whenever everybody is scary, oh, I'm not sure, it's a risky asset, blah, 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 you should be careful looking at it, right? So you should be really cautious to watch it, to grab that opportunity, because the other one will not even take it as an possibility, but you should see it as a big chance to make money. That's it, guys. So that was right now the explanation for the altcoin season, why everything is super combined, why me personally currently I'm super happy. Price of Bitcoin is moving up higher. I know XRP investors right now, Ethereum investors, why is my coin not going to the upside? But guys, calm down. This is the money that we will get later on, okay? So right now, Bitcoin investors should be happy, of course, but they will miss out on the correction. They were going to lose their money, and we will bank the whole profit. But of course, also for us, it's kind of even more difficult to target the top, guys. So I'm not telling you right now that this is going to be easy, but this is what we're going to try to do within this analysis. Where's the last point to grab more positions of XRP? When can I buy the XRPs? I mean, yes, right now, if you look here, every single cryptocurrency is moving to the upside, but it's nothing compared to Bitcoin, okay? So it's really nothing. So let me just do some technical analysis. This is right now my view of the market from an accumulation phase perspective. So these are right now the cycles that I have mapped out for XRP. Some of you already know this analysis, so I'm going to just go very quick over it, just to understand, just to give you the explanation why XRP has so much possibility. Everything is super psychological. So remember, whenever price did something in the past, it was due to psychology, okay? So people have been, till today, they still have the same mentality, okay? So like I explained to you right now, early on with the one example with 100K of Bitcoin, why I don't see price going that much to the upside. Exactly the same thing will you can attach it to every single part of chart technical analysis, okay? Because whenever somebody's buying, another one is selling, and somebody is going to grab the whole liquidity. And this is what is reflected in these accumulation phases, because these accumulation phases have been created by big investors, okay? They've been holding through that one thing over here, and they're always buying when the price is low at the moment when the other ones are in panic. So they are panic selling, the other ones are going to buy right through it. And when I say panic selling, I'm also including these people who are going to realize their profit or their losses due to they don't want to lose the whole amount of their money. And this is what we can see here reflected within the charts. We can really see the emotions of every single investor over there, how they acted, and how the big participants, how their answer was on their reaction, okay? And this is what we can see over here. Price actually was here in an accumulation phase for 3 years, and afterwards we've seen 1 year of crazy bull run. Now this bull run, I also split it in 2 parts. The parts are exactly in the middle, and that's what I feel over here to be in the market actually the correction of the next impulsive movement to the upside. So we can see how the price actually pumped up here crazy, giving us a correction afterwards, then another pump to the upside, and then another correction to the downside. Okay, so let me just, so pump, correction, pump, and then a little bit of a longer correction. Now, look at this. If I'm going to take the same thing over here, we can see price consolidated here for 3 years again, and the expectations are over here 1 year of bull run. Now, the way how the price broke these trend lines, the way and how it started to swap from the correction phase into the bull run, it was kind of the same kind of thing. So price created here a resistance. So this is psychology. This is emotions currently. It created a resistance over here. Price accumulated some positions, giving the price one strong move up above the resistance, closing above, ensuring and telling us, yeah, we broke structure, price is ready to move up higher, but in fact price dropped afterwards even lower than the accumulation phase. So liquidity was cleared on both sides. In this case, people who've been buying, people who've been selling, everybody was taking out of the market, and even these ones who took a very nice entry over there, they've been clearing out. Probably they've been leveraging it, probably they are going to exit it due to price close below that zone, and so on. And the same kind of thing repeated itself over here. We had a resistance over here, accumulation phase over here, price went to the upside. It was everywhere in the media. XRP increased crazy percentages to the upside. Everybody took that one, bought some XRPs. Afterwards, the price dropped crazy to the downside, and this is the reality, guys. It also here it went below the accumulation phase. So these people have been cleared out, these people have been cleared out, and that was the start for the bull run. This is the way and how the big players actually got their liquidity in order to bring the price that much to the upside. And this is why, for me, I feel the accumulations phases to be almost the same. Also when it comes to the time cycles, and also when it comes to the percentages, we can see 96% drop to the downside, and this is the same thing what we see over here. So this is why I completely view this thing to be completely the same. The only thing which I see right now is changing is the time range. Okay, the time range is different this time. This is why my expectations would have been they have been in the past at $100 for the XRP price prediction in a very short time. So actually, to be more specifically, till the beginning of the next year, because everything has been moving the same thing. So we could have been really seeing these exact strong movements to the upside, but in fact, the price needs currently more time to come to the same value like it did in the past, which is telling me, okay, everything is expanding right now. Price just needs more time before it will hit these targets. But look at this. It was the same percentage as what they did with that move up, and the correction ended exactly at this red line over here. So compared to this one, it did the same, only the percentages have been different, which brings me to the conclusion that the price probably right now, if you look to the back, we are just here. Okay, so we're just we're actually right now over there, and what we can expect right now till the end of the year is this incredible strong movement. And don't forget about the SSC, guys, okay? Because everybody will tell me right now, okay, Darius, but we don't have that much liquidity for the XRP. Yes, we have. This is why Bitcoin went to the upside, and at the moment when these big investors are going to switch it, put it everything in the altcoin, and we will see right now very soon the altcoin season, XRP will explode. XRP will explode to the upside. Okay, this is what my expectations are, and I think it's super logical. I think everybody can understand this one thing. I don't have not one single thing which speaks against the theory. And yeah, $14 are going to be the top. At the moment when the SSC is going to lose this lawsuit, we will be there, guys. And the only question is, are you going to be with us or not there? You know, we're not winning here together, but I know that if you're part of my community, you're going to do the same thing like me, and we will be at the end winners. We will be all together the winners. This is the only thing how you can be a winner together in the XRP. Okay, guys, well, actually, that's the analysis for today. So this is the explanations about the altcoin season. I would just go dive into the very last price action just to give you a little bit of an update, because I know for everybody right now it's interesting. Okay, I can buy right now still XRP, guys. Do it until it will be too late. If you will just wait right now 1 week, 2 week, it will be way too late. Right now the potential correction of the price is still at the zone, so nothing has really changed since my last update. We got here the last lag, so this is going to be the maximum correction. I don't expect price to go that much to the downside. We already tapped into the demand zone, so price should actually start a move to the upside very soon. We also broke here some kind of structure, use that one liquidity to dive a little bit lower. Now what we could do as well is to go here into a demand chain so that the price will possibly go over here before we will see a strong move to the upside, taking out this liquidity, possibly using that liquidity to buy it. Okay, this is a possibility as well, so we don't need to see here and reaction to the downside. Price could just dive through it. We got liquidity over here, and yeah, very soon then I think that we will use every single liquidity which is located here to buy the market, right? To just go right through these levels, because retailer will look to attack to bring XRP to the downside to short it, okay? But this will not really work out. Probably we will see some sort of correction, but nothing very significant, and I don't recommend the price to sell it, okay? Something which I really don't recommend. Well, thank you for your attention, guys. If you would like right now to invest and you don't know where to invest, I have a link in the description. This is where I have my XRPs. Coinbase, I'm not sure if you can buy on Coinbase. Again, XRP, I think you cannot. I purchased originally in the past at Coinbase, but then I switched down to Bitpanda, so the link is down below. Check it out. Don't let this chance, please use that chance, so don't let it to go without you. Not the best English currently, but okay. Yeah, thank you for attention, guys, and we will see that with a new video. New forex analysis will come out as well. Currently I'm more excited about the cryptocurrencies. This is why I'm just sharing right now some videos over here. Thank you guys for the big support. Leave a like, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.